Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So the bike is all cleaned up. Looks like it's the beginning of the season. Today I'm gonna put a new windshield on and also shifter pegs. Today I'm gonna install new shifter pegs. These are rubber and they're destroying my shoes. Look at the back of the shoe. So I'm gonna put metal ones over here for upshift and downshift. And also I'm gonna install new windshield. And I got this package from Memphis shades. This is the shield. Alright, so let's do it. Let's get some wrenches. Okay, so let me show you the difference between the windshields. So this one's gonna be, I think it's 3 inches. Let me get my measuring tape so you guys will know exactly what you're getting. So the old one is exactly 5.5 inches from the top of the fairing. The new one's gonna be exactly 3 inches. So like always, you can see that Memphis shades got pretty awesome quality, and the thickness of the windshields, it's awesome. Actually, it's a 1/4 of an inch. Bike looks actually pretty funny without the windshield. All right, so let's put this one on. I gotta say, it looks pretty badass. So this way, actually, I'm gonna be able to see a little bit more what's going on in front of me. I like it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit less wind protection, but that's okay. In the city, it's not gonna hurt me. But for longer road trips, I'm just gonna use the higher one, the 5 inch. And you can see the difference between 3 inches and 5.5 inches. It's quite a difference. Okay, so the windshield's on. Now let's do the pegs. And of course, you know, it's not gonna be too easy because there is no room to put a bolt underneath, so I have to take this one off. It's pretty decent comparing to this one. So it's a little bit longer. I would say maybe about 1/2 inch. Let's see what's going on with the back one. Alright, so that's pretty tight. It actually looks pretty decent. I like it. Shiny. I wasn't really big a fan of chrome, but on a Harley actually it's lots of it. So altogether, I guess it looks kind of okay. Alright, let's put it back on. It's a lot of vibration on Harley, so you have to make sure everything's nice and tight. I think that should be good. That's gonna be it for this project. So we got new pegs, new windshield, Alright, so big thanks to Memphis Shades for the new windshield. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.